from that important story to this one. This is about the revelations in Vaze Gate. Remember, on Sunday, it's the NI that recovered a lot of digital evidence and number plates connected to the Antalya case. Now, all these evidences were allegedly dumped by Sachin Vaze into the Methi River. Now, a car owner from Nandigram has said that one of the number plates actually belongs to the car that was stolen from him in the November of 2020. We are standing by to get you more details on this particular reaction that has come in. Now, this person who apparently has lineage from Aurangabad, we stand corrected, has said that one of the number plates belongs to the car that was stolen from him in the November of 2020. So does this entire network also have connections to Aurangabad? I think we are standing by to listen into a reaction that has just come in. Then we'll connect with our colleague Alisha live.
सर, मेरी गाड़ी छत्रपति नगर N12 से चोरी हो गई। मैं 16 तारीख को मेरी गाड़ी चोरी हो गई। 17 तारीख को मैं FIR दाखिल कर दिया और सिटी चौक पुलिस स्टेशन में उसका इंक्वायरी चालू हुई। सब उनके जो प्रोसीजर था मैंने पूरा क्लियर कर दिया था। अभी जो है अभी वो देख लेते हैं। कोर्ट में भी दाखिल हुआ केस। जो 3 महीने का प्रोसीजर रहता है, 3 महीने के बाद जो कोर्ट में दाखिल करते हैं उसका एक FIR की प्रत भी मैंने ले लिए। अब वो आगे का देखते क्या होता है। अब उसके सर मैं कुछ बोल ही नहीं सकता हूँ अभी क्या है मैं परेशान हो गया। किसके मेरी यहाँ से गाड़ी उधर किसके गई चोरी। अभी पुलिस स्टेशन का काम ही सर देखते अभी क्या होता है क्या नहीं। सर, मेरी गाड़ी छत्रपति नगर N12 से चोरी हो गई। मैं 16 तारीख को मेरी गाड़ी चोरी हो गई। 17 तारीख को मैं FIR दाखिल कर दिया और सिटी चौक पुलिस स्टेशन में उसका इंक्वायरी चालू हुई। सब उनके जो प्रोसीजर था मैंने पूरा क्लियर कर दिया था। अभी जो है अभी वो देख लेते हैं। कोर्ट में भी दाखिल हुआ केस। जो 3 महीने का प्रोसीजर रहता है, 3 महीने के बाद जो कोर्ट में दाखिल करते हैं उसका एक FIR की प्रत भी मैंने ले लिए। अब वो आगे का देखते क्या होता है। अब उसके सर मैं कुछ बोल ही नहीं सकता हूँ अभी क्या है मैं परेशान हो गया। किसके मेरी यहाँ से गाड़ी उधर किसके गई चोरी। अभी पुलिस स्टेशन का काम ही सर देखते अभी क्या होता है क्या नहीं।
All right, so that's the man, Vijay Madhukar Nane, the car owner, who actually says that he lost his car in the November of 2020, after which he did go and lodge a complaint in a local police station. And he apparently now goes on to say that one of the number plates belongs to a car that was stolen from him in the November of 2020. Now, these images that are playing out on your screens right now, viewers, are of the recoveries that have been made by the agency, the NIA, as we had seen divers in the Methi River yesterday trying to pick up these vital clues. This does include this number plate that you see on your screens, but this is just not the only recovery. We've seen CPUs, we've seen hard disks, and a lot more that has now reached the agencies, and they will continue to investigate this. And let's push that story a little further, because the story is only getting bigger after you've seen the NI's recovery of this incriminating evidence from the Methi riverbed. Now, the NI also goes on to say that they have recovered CCTV DVRs from controversial Mumbai cop Sachin Vaze's housing society. Now, if you just go back in time, you will realize that this is the particular CCTV DVR that was allegedly destroyed. Also, number plates of a stolen vehicle have also been traced by the agency. This is all that has happened on the story as far as the recoveries go.
In a 3-hour-long search operation in Mumbai, the NIA recovered several electronic devices from the bottom of the Methi riverbed. Along with computers and hard drives, the NIA also recovered CCTV DVRs in the search operation. NIA sources have revealed that Sachin Vaze has now confessed to his role in attempting to destroy the evidence.
National Investigation Agency on Sunday takes suspended and a controversial cop Sachin Vaze to Methi River in Mumbai's Bandra Kurla complex. After Sachin Vaze directed to the BMC divers to the several spots, many electronic evidence has been seized and recovered from the Methi River.
Not just digital evidence, but the NIA also recovered these number plates from the Methi riverbed. Number plates that belong to a stolen car.
It has also been said that Sachin Vaze was also confronted with the evidence which has been recovered from the Methi river, after which Sachin Vaze has confirmed has also confessed of tossing the evidence into the Mithi River. With the procedure, all the evidence will be sent to the forensic and it will be thoroughly examined by the forensic team.
The recoveries at BKC comes hours after Republic TV accessed the CCTV footage of Waze's aide Riaz Qazi at the number plate store. The expose is now confirmed as sources add that one of the DVRs recovered was from the number plate store where fake plates were made. The incriminating evidence recovered has completely exposed the plot, and the news is tightening around Team Sachin Waze.